look up in there. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So I'm super stoked, you guys. We got the Celica GT-S right here. I'll put a card right here for a video we did on that last week. The Mazda pickup isn't going to get a whole lot of attention today. It's going to get its own video. I'm waiting for Lucian. Where are you at? Oh! So before we get into this video, we're going to talk about the #1 thing you can do to maintain your car. If you do no other maintenance on your car, change your oil, or else this happens. So yeah, I just got back from work. I'm in my work uniform still. We're gonna do a little oil change on the Kia Optima. So let's get right into it. Okay, she's gone. Anyway, all you need is like a little creeper and some ramps or a jack. I like the ramps, nice and easy. A bin, and then literally all you do is unplug the drain bolt right here for your oil pan, and then your filter is usually somewhere around here. But I don't understand why people let this go. So we're gonna get a wrench and take that off. It's not so bad. Not like the Dodge.
That looks pretty good. No, you haven't pulled off the filter yet.
Nope. Oh, she looks sweet though. Soon, you guys, soon, I promise we'll explain the entire Mazda truck build / $40 paint job transformation, new wheels and tires. Like I said, I'm waiting on Lucian, so if you've seen him, let him know that we're waiting on him so we can get some nice shots of this thing. But let's get on to today's video. All right, you guys, so you saw that clip of the sludge at work. We obviously just got done doing my neighbor's oil change on his Kia Optima. We got the Celica right behind us. So one thing I wanted to say really quick, if you're enjoying this video so far, drop a like and a comment down below. What I'm going to start is a series of Celica builds with simple bolt-ons such as lights, new wheels, brakes, short shifter, stuff like that. So be ready for the little series on the Celica. I can't wait. I'm so excited to finally have something that's fun to drive again, that we can do simple bolt-on type installations to really transform this car. So I hope you're as excited for that journey with this GT-S Celica as I am, because I'm super stoked about it. But yeah, you guys, so what I wanted to say was, if you do nothing on your car, oils, fluids, they all break down over time. People, I understand, aren't all car people, and people just don't think about these things. You get busy in your daily life, activities, work, whatever. But if you're gonna do one thing to your car, please change the oil. You saw that clip. I'm gonna put another clip right here. That was a 2019 Dodge Ram. The customer never changed the oil. He had 42,000 miles on a 19, never changed the oil. And that's what happens. After a while, oil breaks down just like anything else, you guys. So if you don't do that, and you saw how simple that just was, literally you can get a set of ramps for like 40 bucks. You can get a cheap set of wrenches at Walmart or Harbor Freight for 20 bucks. Change your oil. It really, even if you don't do it yourself, go take it somewhere and have them change your oil. Your car will thank you later, because I guarantee you the oil change is going to be cheaper than a new engine. That engine still ran. I cleaned as much out as I could, but I guarantee you at least half the life of that engine is gone. I mean, that is not good, and you're not going to get all of that sludge out. It's impossible. So you heard it right here, you guys. If you don't do any maintenance on your vehicle at all, change your oil. What do we got here? You can't put the top up. So you guys, we're gonna head to Mexico really quick because my roommate Blake got this brand new to him, I guess, 2006 Solara. So he thinks he can beat me. So we're gonna run to Mexico and take it right from a roll. All right, guys, so we're heading out. We're going to Mexico, and Blake's gonna follow us, and then we'll see how fast his Solara is. He ain't ready. I missed my turn. We got to turn around. I'll honk it off, okay? I'll honk you off. Ready? Missing third gear, not great. Let's try it one more time. Steven, that's not the truck I wanted. That's not a truck.
Yeah, it is.
That's a Honda. Anyway, you guys, that is exactly the result that I was kind of expecting. 1.8 versus 3.3, 6-speed manual, automatic, and I guess there is a manual shift mode, but it was pretty even. On the manual shift mode, it does wake that thing up a little bit because you can rev it out just a little bit longer, but I think the Celica held its own pretty well. Again, this isn't really the type of thing that this car is meant to do. See, I told you you weren't ready. You weren't ready. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go get some food, then we'll pick this up. All right, guys, so, oh, Steven's checking out the truck.
You know what, Jared? Every Mazda has the same smell.
Well, yeah, that's the signature Mazda smell. So anyway, you guys, coming soon is going to be a complete breakdown of the build slash paint job we did on the Mazda. You can see she's sitting pretty on some 33s off an FJ Cruiser. You know, honestly, you guys, I was really impressed with how the Celica did there. Obviously, this car wasn't built to be a straight line performer. It's more about the driving experience, the theatrics, if you will, from the lift that this engine has. This thing screamed. I was shifting there above 8 grand, and I was really impressed because that Solara, yeah, it's an old grandpa's convertible, nice car, very nice car, but it has the 3.3 Toyota V6 in it. I knew that this thing wasn't going to do that great, but I was actually really impressed. The second roll we did, about 30-mile-an-hour roll, when he was in full auto, this thing actually was kind of crawling away. When he switched to manual mode so he could hold his shifts out a little longer, obviously it was pretty even. We kind of went back and forth a little bit, but pretty even race. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. We're going to do some bolt-on stuff to the Celica, so be ready for that little series coming up. The first couple things I want to do: wheels, tires, brakes, lights, do something with the shifter, and I got a little surprise. So make sure that you are watching those videos. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
The designer panties, yeah, we eating plenty. Check the pantry from the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings.